Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled to be with, you guys know him, Sam Clausen of Dostie Homes, and we are in Reflections at Nocatee. That is Nocatee's 50th and final new construction community available, and Sam is going to show us one of two model homes that you can tour when you come to visit Dostie Homes.
So Carling and Heather, welcome. This is the front porch of our Olympic plan. Carling's highlighting a door over there on the left that we're going to see at the end of our video. But right now we're going to go straight ahead through the front door and we're going to come into what is our 2,500 square foot Olympic plan that we actually have shown at 2,800 square feet. And you all will see what that's about later in the video. Right off this foyer that has a 12-foot ceiling, we have our flex room that has a 12-foot ceiling. We have this staged as your home office with the French doors right off the foyer, but this easily flexes into what can be another full bedroom that keeps and maintains that 12-foot tall ceiling.
And that's the one thing I want to let everyone know. If you haven't visited a Dostie Home Sales Center before, when you do come to visit, they show you on the walls exactly how these homes can be laid out and the various options. And you're going to see as we go through this how flexible this Olympic floor plan is. And I'm excited for the viewer to see because it's also a brand new floor plan to Dostie.
It is a brand new floor plan. This is our great room, which has 12 to 13-foot ceilings. We did do the fireplace and built-ins with that large TV. Above. We did the stained beams in the ceiling that everybody loves. But one of the things that I love about this house, and one of the reasons it was designed, is because you don't immediately have a view of your kitchen sink. You see back there into where the main living area is, but you're not getting the view into this spectacularly large kitchen. So many people have told me, Heather, that they don't want people to come in and see their messy kitchen as soon as they walk through their front door. I don't know why.
That's so funny. Well, what I loved about this when we walked in is look how you're seeing an extension of the kitchen in this back room, this flex room in the back. But guess what, guys? That's standard. This whole layout that you're seeing right now, this is a standard layout. So Sam, again, you and your team knocked it out of the park in entertaining.
We love that comfort zone off of the kitchen or back there in the corner that has views to the rear and the outdoor living that's so popular in Nocatee. But again, in this kitchen, this is only a 10 to 11-foot ceiling. We did stack the cabinets all the way to the kitchen or to the ceiling in the kitchen. We've got that natural light filtering in on either side of the cooktop. Again, with that 4-foot by 9-foot island unit. And in this dining area, we were able to put the windows in the corner, do a banquette, and show that lovely dining area over there that could easily sit 8 people.
Easily. I mean, this is the house where, especially if you have kids, guys, this is the house where all the kids are going to come to your home. You're going to be the one entertaining, which I love as a parent. I mean, you want all the kids to come to your house, feel welcome. The home, the way it's laid out, it feels warm to me. I want to be here. I don't want to leave. Again, that's why you're choosing Nocatee, by the way. All the friends you're going to meet.
Look at all that natural light coming in the comfort zone. So those 3 windows with the picture window are standard on the back. We do have the option for the sliding glass door that accesses that covered grilling porch. And we did highlight the optional grill, built-in grill out there. But Heather, one thing I want to point out is how open this was from the kitchen to the comfort zone, to the dining room. And as Carling pans back around and looks at the great room, this is an open concept floor plan. Look at that amazing view that you have right back there to the family room, to everything that's going on. But again, it's a little more privatized back here.
And it's not a box, Sam. That's the other thing. Look at the angles. Look at the walls that Sam and his team created. So it's almost like just going from one layer to another layer and we're being pushed out. It feels like into a corner, even though I'm sure on paper it's like a square, but it's not feeling that way.
Not even a little bit. And I mean, there's nothing about just these few rooms we've been in already that says that this is only a 2,500 square foot home.
No, not at all, not at all. And that's why I'm excited. This Olympic floor plan, I know many of you are going to want it, especially as you continue to see the layout. And look at this, because guys, parts of this is standard. So tell us about that.
So as Carling's looking out back right now, we're looking through our covered lanai, which is standard. She sees the grilling porch back there on the left, which is standard. The only thing we did is we expanded the actual patio, the pavers out there, and added that fire pit. just to give you a larger outdoor living area on this home site. But you can see there's still green grass back there, that natural view, again, that's so synonymous with Nocatee outdoor living. This outdoor area is just incredible.
And you mentioned the green grass because, again, we're dog friendly here in Nocatee. We have over 10 dog parks. But guess what, guys? If you have a dog, you have plenty of room for your pet to run in the backyard. Can't say enough. And look at the natural light coming in here, and sliders to the outside.
So sliders to the outside. So again, drawing that outside in, that was really important on this home. As Carling was panning around, you can see really just how elegant this master bedroom is. But we wanted that indoor, outdoor living feeling in this particular house. And I think we got it. I think we got it pretty good.
I'm going to just say it, guys. This Dostie floor plan, this Olympic floor plan, is now my ultimate favorite floor plan that you have ever designed. And I'm talking, you've designed some very big houses, by the way, here in Nocatee. But this, you have knocked it out of the park with who can live in this home, how many people can. And again, the viewer hasn't even seen all that we're excited about to show you. But this, I love the vanities, by the way, that you split them. So it's like, I mean, I joke mine and mine. But now when my husband is messy, guess what? That's on his side. I've got my own
You actually do
side.
have a his and hers vanity.
I really love that.
In this house. We've got an oversized water closet back there that Carling walked by, so you don't feel like you're as tight in the water closet. She's highlighting some of the features of that walk-in shower right now, which is the bench seat, which is that shampoo niche that can't be seen as you first come in. But this is an elegant bathroom. And now we have this large walk-in closet that again is kind of divided. We've got a left and right side so that the wife can still take over the entire closet and maybe give up one row of shelving. But we put a little chandelier in there to highlight the elegance of this space. And then so many people love this concept of being able to walk straight from their master bedroom right into their laundry room. And why wouldn't you?
And you can close it off. So Carling will show you in a minute, to the right-hand side, there's a door. So that door, obviously, if we went through it, we're gonna go back into the main living space, but you can shut it off. So your laundry room truly is in your space. You typically don't show your bedroom to your friends, your laundry room. You're only showing the main parts of your home when you're touring people through. So that I love that this can be shut off. And Carling just passed
That's the two-car garage that she just passed on the left. On the left now, she's passing the large coat closet and storage closet, but now we're coming back into that great room. And now from this angle, you can see
maybe come this way,
into the
Carling.
kitchen right here and that dining space, and just how open this house lives.
And then look, as Carling's gonna pan around to the left and we go to what is gonna be now my favorite part of the house, but look how they made a great little wet bar over here. So again, depending on your life stage, you know, do you have the little kids? Are you just doing beautiful bookshelves there? Do you want the wet bar there? But there's different options in how you can use that niche right here on this left-hand side. Yes, that Carling's showing straight on.
And we used some fun pops of color there. We did an elegant backsplash that's pretty unique. This could easily be a dry bar if you didn't want that sink.
And this is a one-story house. I keep forgetting to say that on camera. That's also, many of us, I mean, listen, when you start to, now I have a teenager. When I started these videos, I had a baby. But, you know, I personally really love one stories. So again, Sam and his team designing this particular floor plan, out of this world. This secondary bedroom, guys, huge. Huge, 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 not a tiny square. Thank you, Sam.
So one of the things we try to do is we actually try to furnish each one of these spaces when we're designing them. So we try to make sure that you can get a full-size dresser in there and maybe even a desk. And we always highlight a queen-size bed in each one of our bedrooms.
And Carling, we did pass a powder room. I just want to make sure, did you get that on camera?
She did, and she just came out of the full-size bathroom that's here in the hall. And that can even access directly across the hall, where I was saying we have the ability to flex into a fourth bedroom right there off this hallway.
So reminding people, this floor plan, which is phenomenal, but is so flexible, so when you come to visit their sales center, they can show you all the different ways to use it. So the way we just had it, you had the powder room, you've just passed a full bath with two bedrooms. Now another full bath.
Another full bathroom. We've set this up with the shower because that's right. This is what we have designed as a mother-in-law suite. That's right, folks.
Okay, this is it.
There's more.
There's more.
So I said this house was 2,522 square feet. It is actually 2,800 square feet because we added on this mother-in-law or in-law or generational suite, whatever you'd like to call it. This has direct access from the front porch, this living area. It has a complete kitchenette that could even be outfitted with a microwave, but it has direct access to the one-car garage on this house as well.
So you just said generational. Think about there's so many people that their kids are going to college here or waiting to go to college, or you have that teenager that you're saying, hey, this is your space, but you've got a one-car garage, you've got this private sitting area, a full bath, a bedroom. You can truly close off this entire space. But Sam, the reason this is flexible is because what else can it be used for? You came up with some great ideas.
So the way we designed this house is for it to be a generational suite. We are starting to get some requests for that again. But also, so many people are working from home nowadays that we have a front door or an access door from the front porch. So this can be your home office. You can actually come and go from your home office without having to disrupt anything that's going on in your family's life. The other thing that I like about this, Heather, is for those families with small children. I see this as that room on the front of the house where the kids are sitting here playing video games on their big screen TV. The kids are parking their bikes right out front in the driveway, and those kids are coming right through this door. They're getting their own beverages out of their wet bar,
Right.
and they're not traipsing through the main body of the house. So if this is your home office, that easily flexes into bedroom 4 on the inside. It even still has the comfort zone, which lives as the bonus room on the back of the house. So many different ways that we at Dostie Homes try
Love
to
it.
flex our floor plans to understand the lifestyles of those people that are living in Nocatee.
And you knocked it out of the park, this Olympic floor plan, because Sam and his team reflected on everything that they've done over the years.
That's exactly what I told Heather. We have reflected back on everything we've learned from you, the clients that already live here in Nocatee and that are going to be moving to Nocatee. And we incorporated that into our last 2 final floor plans that are here in the final neighborhood of Nocatee.
Yep.
Number 50.
Reflections at Nocatee. I can't wait for you to watch this video, come out here and tour it, see the beautiful pocket park they have, great playground here in the front. And I want to just tell everybody you're going to have a greenway trail to get to the amenity center just like that. So thanks for watching, and Dostie Homes. Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.